Hey everybody, watch me today try and carve a giant log. Not giant, but big enough. Paper birch log into something using a railroad spike that I found in my yard. But we're about to find out if it can be a usable tool. So if you're asking why I'm doing this, well, number one, pure clickbait, attention seeking. Two, well, at least if I can do this, then it means that your tools are important, but maybe not as crucial as maybe your sharpening technique and your ability to carve. Yeah, just practicing carving. So anyway, hope this is inspiring and encouraging for those who don't have a lot of tools, and for those of us who do.
I know you probably need more tools. If you can check out my website at mytools.com, you'll learn to be a better carver just by virtue of buying better tools. If you keep buying more tools and don't think you're becoming a better carver, it's because you're not buying the right tools. Keep buying more tools, but buy my tools, mytools.com. Check it out. Thanks.
Let's get into it, guys.
Oh, dude, you already got a sharp, huh?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Use it like that.
No, yeah.
Use it like that with a hammer.
Yeah. Well, it's still a little bit rough. So it's at this point I realize the wood is so hard, I'm going to have to use a mallet. And the grind angle as well is an issue. I have too broad an edge, and so it's acting more like an axe and not really cutting very smoothly through the material. So the mallet helped a little, but I didn't use it very much or for very long, so I cheated. I did not just use the railroad spike, I used the mallet to drive the railroad spike. Anyway, that's all. So it is at this point that I lose the bark, and I should have just left it alone, but I ended up trying to reattach it later, and so that was a mistake, of course, but we live and we learn. So I spent an extra couple minutes trying to glue the thing back on. You'll see that coming up shortly, but anyway. Alright. Oh, that's time. I'll have to glue this on later, but that's the idea. Oh, bother. Man, this is a loud fan. Alright guys, well, that's time. This is what I've got. This is my best attempt at a train conductor. Oh. And yeah, that was fun. I'm gonna try and figure out a way to incorporate the spike, I think, in the finished product. Anyway, thanks to Doug Linker for the idea to carve a train conductor in the carving. And yeah, anyway, that was it. Super fun, and I'm exhausted. This was really bad at holding an edge. I had to constantly polish it. It's a very thick tool, so the grind angle's heavy, so it's like kind of like carving with an axe. So don't recommend this, but did the job. That's all. Alright guys, I'm exhausted. If you have any questions or suggestions for what to carve next, I love to hear from you guys, so please comment in the comment section below. And also like, subscribe, share this with your friends, all that fun stuff. I do sincerely appreciate it. It means a lot. Helps me to spread the news. And the way that I make a living is through the online school, which is in the description below. You can find out more by, of course, clicking that link and also just perusing the site. I have over 30 plus videos of online instruction talking about carving the realistic face, structure, anatomy, woods, tools, all that. And yeah, we have a few more options than just the railroad spike. So anyway, check that out. Talk to you guys. Love you. Bye.